Hey guys, it's my first time playing I Am a Cat, or I think it's called like this. Yeah, the thing is my right controller is a little bit broken, so sometimes it's turning off, but I don't think that's so bad. And yeah, I'm playing it my first time, so I don't know actually what to do. I just got taught that to get out I need something, but I don't know what I need. So I think I'm walking around a little bit. Oh. Oh, I need a key card. Oh. I don't know what it is. Oh bro, I'm so bad. Where's the key card? Wait. Wait, I can grab this. And I'm gonna go here. I will throw that back then. Oh no, I missed. Where's the damn keycard, bro? No. Do I need to pop all balloons? What am I gonna do? I don't know. I don't actually know what I need to do in this game, but I just wanna have fun. Yes, got it. And what? No. No. Stop it. What's this? Oh, it's no. Oh, that's what I mean. My controller display. I think I need to pop all balloons, so I'm gonna do it. Hoppa. No. I think that's maybe. What was that?
I want it.
I don't know, I got scared. She's sleeping. Oh, this girl is crazy as well. So there's one more and there are two. I think. Oh, there's one. Oh. Don't jump onto the grandma. I don't feel safe doing this. No. Let me go. Nope, go away. Go away. Go away. Go away.
You'll get harder for me.
Go away. Don't like you anymore. She definitely wanted to kill me. There's a lever. Yes. Got it. Damn. Oh, that's fun. Oh, that's fun. Wow. Did something change? I don't think so. Did I forget a balloon? Maybe? Oh, okay. Oh, and this too. I think she's sleeping again. That's good. Oh. Please get off me. Oh, that's actually working. Well, I think this game is fun, bro. I like this game. If you want to see more, just like or comment it. So, there are 2 more. Okay. How did I not see them first time? No. That's not working so well, but I think I'm only bad. Yep. Yeah, got it. So where's another balloon? There's no balloon. Nothing changed. Okay, I think that isn't the point. I want this. Frick. No, let me go, let me go. Stop, 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 stop.
Finish here.
Wait, I know what to do.
Finish here.
Gotcha! I'm stuck! Don't be mad.
You're getting far from me.
Oh, why is that so much fun, bro? But what I need to do, I don't actually know. No. Shut up!
You'll get harder for me.
Wait. I feel kind of. Oh. What the? But I like the climb mechanic.
You're getting far from me.
No. No, hey. Let me go. Oh, what the? Okay. Stop watching TV about cats. I don't like this. Okay, yeah, I don't know what to do actually. Can you, if you know, can you please say it in the comments, because I wanna do like, I wanna get out of here. Wait. You take it in your mouth. I think that's brutal. I don't think I can show this. Oh. Stop! Stop it! No, I'm stuck. Okay, I need to get her chill out, and then I'm gonna try this. Oh. Yes! Then I go. Oh. But then I can't play. Then I can't play with my friends. I know a person. Saw her. I don't know if you know her yet, because I playing with her, yes, but not doing videos with her right now. Oh, I only did 4. Okay, you're mine. You're mine too. What? No, I'm stuck. Come down. Oh, that's so hard. Wait, I want to try something. Okay, that's working. Hey, go in, please. I did it. Nah, but I'm not doing this. So what's this? But I can't right now, bro. Mission completed. Wait. No. Yeah, I don't know what to do now. Oh, yeah. Damn it. Yeah, I don't know what to do now. Yeah, I think that's the video. If you know how to get outside and stuff, please write it in the comments. Yeah. If you want to see more, also like the video. See ya!